Hi, so I'm back with a time with me from November 18 to November 24th in my mini planner. So I have 2 pieces of paper for the spread. So this is gonna be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'll be using these stickers, which can be found on my shop. I will be redoing these design into more of this design, which will also be uploaded soon on my Etsy shop, which can be found in the link down below. So first I will pencil draw all the boxes out first before I start the pen work. What I'm using is the Muji to outline the boxes. So these boxes are 9 length and 19 height for these boxes. I was able to fit Monday to Friday into these 2 sheets. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday are in the same box. Since I don't really do much on the weekends, so I just keep those smaller. And these ones are gonna be like my notes, to-do lists. And these are 5 height, and then length it's 19 length. Let's focus on one spread first, one side of the spread, which will be the Monday to Tuesday, and the notes and the to-do list. So once I'm done drawing these boxes, I'll start putting on the stickers and writing out the dates. I'll also be doing I'll also be doing a classic plan with me because they're kind of different sizes, and then I could fit more in the classic compared to the mini. So these are the boxes that are done now. I'll be adding the stickers onto the day. So Monday. These were testing stickers, so they didn't turn out perfectly cut, so I thought, why not just use it in my bullet journal. That's Tuesday. And then let's use these as the dates. So this is the 18th, this is the 19th. So there's payday important to do and notes. So I'll be taking the notes, putting these sideways. Same thing with two. So I added the notes and to do, and now there are some cute little flowers in here. I'll use it as a decoration. Let's put one right here in this corner, and then put this one in the corner. And now I'm gonna write in November 18 to 24 with this Tombow brush pen, calligraphy pen. I've been practicing calligraphy since I started bullet journaling, but it's getting better. From before I was kind of not good, but now slowly I got better at it. Of course, still not the best, but I'm pretty satisfied with how quick I learned how to do calligraphy. like watching YouTube, Instagram, all that. And spread is done for the side. So now I'm gonna do the same using my Muji pen. I'll be going over the pencil line. Like I said earlier, these boxes are height is 19 by 9. And these ones also 9, and they are height 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 height. Going back to the mini, I've been similar to the classic, but obviously the sizing is different. Bringing it to work, around places is easier because the mini is like way smaller compared to the classic size. But I love the classic size for home now, since I keep all the planning for Instagram, YouTube videos, etc. on that planner. This one, I keep all the stuff. So now we can add the stickers now, which is Wednesday. I like how these stickers aren't like these ones that I created on Illustrator, how they're really, it's a circle for sure. It's a rounded box, whereas this is like more hand-drawn on the iPad. Oops, I'm supposed to use this for this, but whatever. The yellow one for the yellow. But of course you can mix these stickers around, like the numbering stickers, you can mix that around. Does not have to be exact same color as the headers. On to Friday. Orange. And then Saturday, Sunday. Hopefully they fit. If not, Sunday. This small dot and then right here. Hopefully I won't be doing much on this week, but I doubt it. I will, but we'll see. If we are doing a lot, and then these ones, I feel like I could just put them on top of each other, or put it on my notes and to-do list. So here's the spread. I still have some leftovers. I don't think this week is not payday, so I don't need to use payday. Let's do some stickers here, and then put right here. This one. Right over here. There. And then let's put Hello Beautiful. Right over here. Maybe I will need some pamper time. Let's do it on a Friday night, of course, Friday night. That's good. I have some leftover stickers. Well, let's use some somewhere. Let's put it right here. And then, yeah. This is the finished spread for November 18th to 24th.